So what if you want to copy a parameter from one particular model to many models within the Creo session? For example, this assembly has this ENGR parameter at the top level, but if I go look at some of the parts within it, like this spider, I don't have that, or maybe this dust cap doesn't have it, or maybe a cone. To copy those parameters from the source model at the top level, we can simply do that just by coming to Nitro-CELL's execution worksheet and selecting parameter as object type and copy. By default, it's going to take whatever's currently displayed. So I don't have to specify a model specifically here, but we can come in and tell it ENGR is the parameter name that we're going to want to copy. And I'm going to want to copy it to all of the models that are currently in session. So I'm going to put a star, and then I'm just going to copy it to the same parameter name. So I'm not going to create a different parameter name for it. I'm just going to set it as this. So when I press the Do It button, it's going to extract that piece of information from the main model of ENGR. And now for every other part that's currently within Creo session, it's going to show me that that parameter has been copied to those targets. So it's very easy to do. And if we change the value of something, like for example, if we come back to this top level and we say, oh, geez, this needs to be BSG instead of DHB. When I rerun this again, it's going to simply copy that new value across to every model that we have in Creo session currently. I only have models for this assembly in session. That's why I'm showing you these here specifically. So you can see that that's been copied to everywhere. Another neat thing you can do is you can actually say, well, I want that to also be a drawn by for a target parameter. So I'm going to copy that original source to the drawn by and the other models. Now when I come in here, I'm going to switch over and take a look at the other components that I'm affected. And you can see that it has not just copied the parameter, but also created a brand new parameter called drawn by in the target models within the assembly.